Welcome to the Meghalaya Study Hub, where knowledge rises like the hills of Meghalaya.
Welcome back. If you're studying for your Class 10 board exams, nailing the multiple choice questions is your fastest path to solid marks. Today, we're tackling some of the most important MCQs from the Real Numbers chapter, step by step. Let's look right at question 1 on our digital board. We have two positive integers, p and q. The question asks, what do you get when you multiply their highest common factor by their least common multiple? There is a rock-solid rule in mathematics for this exact situation. The product of the HCF and LCM of any two numbers is always exactly equal to the product of those two numbers themselves. So if our numbers are p and q, multiplying them together gives us p times q. That points us directly to option C. Write this formula down. It is the standard relationship for every two-number problem in this chapter. Mastering it now allows you to solve these questions in seconds during the exam. Let's apply that relationship to a set of actual numbers. Here is question 2. If the product of two numbers is 540 and their LCM is 30, then their HCF is what? We know our rule. HCF times LCM equals the total product. Let's map our values right into that structure. We don't know the HCF, but we know the LCM is 30, and the total product is 540. So HCF times 30 equals 540. Now we just use basic algebra. To isolate the HCF, we take that total product and divide it by the LCM. You can do this next part in your head. Cross out the zeros on the 540 and the 30. That leaves 54 divided by 3, which is 18. That perfectly matches option C. These word problems become simple algebraic equations as soon as you map the given variables to the core rule. Let's look at this document, specifically question 12 right here. We've got much larger numbers this time, 306 and 657. The HCF is 9 and we need to find the LCM. Go ahead and pause the video right now. Try to set this up yourself. Okay, here is the setup. We multiply the two numbers, 306 and 657, and divide that product by our given HCF, which is 9. Please don't multiply 306 by 657 right away. That will take forever. Instead, simplify the fraction first. Divide 306 by 9. That goes in exactly 34 times. Now you just have a much friendlier multiplication, 34 times 657. Multiply those together and you get 22,338. Looking at our options on the page, that points us to option C. Now let's look at question 1 from this next exam paper. This tests a conceptual property, not your calculation speed. It asks what happens when you multiply a non-zero rational number with an irrational number. The easiest way to solve this is to invent an example. Take 2, which is a neat rational number. Multiply it by the square root of 3, which is famously irrational. The result is 2 root 3. Notice what happens. Combining that rational number with the irrational one by a multiplication infects the whole term. The result is permanently irrational. Once you memorize that property, you can answer questions like this instantly, with zero math required. Let's review question 5. The product of prime factors of 156 is... We'll build a division ladder to find out. Start with the smallest prime, 2. 156 divided by 2 is 78. Divided by 2 again, we hit 39. 2 doesn't go into 39, so move to the next prime, 3. 39 divided by 3 is 13. Divide by 13 to get 1. Our factors are 2, 2, 3, and 13. Group the 2's into 2 squared. That matches option B. Before you go, pause and write down this cheat sheet. These are the 3 core rules we just covered. Mastering these specific tools, the formulas, the properties, and the factorizations, is how you stop guessing and start locking in guaranteed marks. Keep practicing these core methods, and you'll be ready for exam day.